Hey folks, I know it's been a while since my last upload, so been kind of waiting on opening this one. I got it about 2 months ago, and I haven't really had a chance to open it. And a big package, you know. I get that a lot. I haven't really been at liberty to open it and put it together because of what it is. I know what it is. EZ3 3D printer. Some of these I've seen they put together relatively quickly. Oh, it comes with a USB cable. I might be able to plug this directly into the computer. That's awesome. Oh, and it comes with some cheapo filament. Ooh, hey, yeah. A pre-leveled bed, I hope. What do we got here? 12 volt, 2 amp. I might just have to swap it out for like one of my 6 amp pieces. Ooh. It comes with 2 USB TF card readers. It comes with 2 of them, but it only comes with 1 card. I wonder if that's just a placeholder card or if it's an actual card. Alright. And yeah, minimal parts. All of the axes are all put together already. And then you like snap them together and lock them in place. No clue. Download G-code, save to TF, insert TF, download STL, use Easy Slicer, convert into TF, TF, okay. Doesn't say anything about plugging it into the computer, but it came with a USB cord. Came with this dinky little USB cord. All 3 axes are the same. Here, let's see. Okay, it does have a USB. all three axes are the same. What are these brackets for? Oh, I see. Yeah, that goes like that, I'm guessing. Yeah, like I said, I watched a video on it, and his rotated into place. So this one is slightly different, but it's pretty much plug and play from what it seems. Yep, click, click, click. Why would you do that? Anyway. Print leveling is talking about all this. It doesn't have any assembly instructions. I guess it is literally just plug and play. Oh, there's the assembly instructions. Alright, step 1, install Y-axis control box, base 1 and 2. And it even comes with a free screwdriver. I mean, I guess if you're giving it to a child for their birthday, they wouldn't really have a screwdriver, probably. But I'm pretty sure all adult humans have at least one screwdriver set. In fact, I think I'm going to use mine anyway. Oh, that's the wrong sizing. Where's my other screwdriver? One thing fell over and now it makes it impossible to get anything. Is it because of the cord that it's not laying flat? Okay, this one does have the 4 button and it's got a home button on it. Well, now how am I? Oh, I see. I am under the impression, realistically. Why? I mean, heck, you really don't. If you know what you're doing, you really don't need instructions. And there's really nothing to that. And I'm guessing this one plugs in there. Oh, come on. Nope. Your princess is in a different castle. And here I was, I didn't think I'd have room to put this anywhere. And I still don't. But, you know, it's one of those, this is so small. It's so small that I can move it around places. Oh, it's got a magnetic tray. I'm going to install it this way. That's awesome. Yeah. If I was paying enough attention, I would have done this part first. Maybe it should have said attach the tray to the sled first. Maybe it did. And, you know, I'm a man. I don't need no instructions. Such toxicity. Wrap these wires into here. No, that's not what that's for. Additionally, we can't just do that. Whatever. Not like those wires go anywhere. But all right, and allegedly that's it. I mean, yeah, of course I still need to. Oh, it comes with allegedly 4 gigabytes. But hey, it's cool that it came with 2 card readers. That way I, load one on one, load one on another. I mean, granted, it just has a card reader right here built into it, but I could literally just have it on the side, like rotated this way, as far this way as I can, have it plugged in here, pop the cards in when it's done, grab that. Will it go on anyway? It will, but it doesn't like that. Okay. I don't have any G-code preloaded. Oh wow, like 15 minutes, 18 minutes to put this together. Less than 20 minutes. Let me pause this and go see if I can load up some G-code. So, as it turns out, there's actually a rather long wait time when it comes to my internet connection. And the SD card actually has a piece of test G-code on it. So, yeah. Feel like I've gotten that right. Just looks like it's weird that the buttons are all down here underneath the bed. So, and I went ahead and popped the filament arm on here while paused. My apologies. I know that was so exciting, and you're bummed out that you missed that. All right. So we got this. Sometimes it is a good idea to go ahead and unwind the filament before, I mean, not if it's like on a spool or whatever, but it's a good idea if it's just a bundle of filament like this to give it a quick unwind, just so that you make sure it's not going to snag on anything. And I have no idea how. Yep, there we go. Yep, that's exactly what I was expecting. Is for it to do what I wanted it to do. I mean, that's just strange. You would think it comes with some sort of clip deal. I don't know. Who knows? That might actually. That might be how it wants it to go. I don't freaking know. I mean, the instruction manual is all kinds of useless. But like, then it's gonna get caught in this or caught in that, and honestly, I'd rather it sit up here somewhere. But it doesn't. So, whoops, I guess I forgot to turn the light back on, or on in the first place even. Wonder if it'll just sit like that fine. Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and test this out too. That was the point of me going away for a minute and coming back saying, sorry guys. Oh, it's just on from the get-go, huh? Okay, I mean, yeah, that's how it goes. Hmm. I feel like it is warming up, but it could just be me. Slice the software, blah, blah. So a thickness of a piece of paper, it says. I don't have paper. I literally do not have any paper. So... Actually, I have some books. All right. Let's go with 4. That's definitely not. Alright, that should more or less be leveled. Okay, alright. I should have had it heating up the whole time. Okay, I think it's warm. Oh, oh my. Come on. What are you doing? Yeah, read the instructions before doing anything. Home it again. I guess maybe it's just waiting to heat up. I don't know. I'll read the instructions beforehand. Alright, assembly. Alright, Titan platform, blah blah. Leveling buttons, automatically move to position 1, 2, 3, and 4. When the cake layer gently pulled, it is out. Before you feed, make sure there is at least 3 centimeters space between the nozzle and the platform. Press the print and hold for 3 seconds. Release. The print head should raise 1 centimeter each time. Straighten the front end of the filament about 2 centimeters. Insert filament into the insert tube until it can go no further. And press the filament with a little force to keep it. Then use another hand to shift the gear at the side of the printer box to feed. Blinking fast indicates that the nozzle is heating up. When the temperature reaches, the light turns to blinking slow and the motor gear starts to turn and roll the filament into the tube. I have no idea what happened there. Let me unplug it. Plug it back in. Home. Blinking fast, okay. It is feeding. Alright. We got some blue coming out. And this filament is white. So, what the heck is going on here? Alright. Alright, I got it to start printing. Sorry, I paused the video there for a second until I figured it out. And it actually started working. But now it's printing, and I guess I will just wait until it finishes printing for the results part. I have no idea why it's doing what it's doing, but it's probably got something to do with the slicer program and all of those things involved. I owned a 3D printer once, and the power supply blew, and then a couple of other problems happened, and so I just decided to donate it to someone who could better serve with it. And that was like 10 years ago, so I finally decided to start getting back into 3D printer stuff, at least with a cheap little $80 3D printer, and see where it takes me from there. Alright folks, love you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to be a good werewolf, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.